family. This is Josie's makeup, naturally and after. Sit quietly and then go through the processes and you see how beautiful I'll become.
Thank you so much.
Hi Josie fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well and I hope you are all staying safe. So meet my beautiful model for today. Her name is Sophie and I'm going to start by trimming her brows, and she already has her natural beauty going on, and so I am going to do her makeup on the soft side because she naturally loves soft glam makeup. So let's get into this video fam. I started by trimming her brows and now I am going in to wipe her face with some face wipes to take away the oils and the dirt on her face. So fam, I'm going to link all the products I'm using in this video in the description box below. And so I am going in to prime her face, after which I'm going to apply some lip balm on her lips to moisturize her lips. Next is to apply some foundation, and I'm going in with a light to medium coverage foundation, and I'm going to use that because I'm going for a soft glam look, and so I want this look to look as natural as possible. And so I'm going to apply the foundation all over her face and blend afterwards, and I'm going to take some of that foundation on her eyelids just to cancel out any darkness and also to even out the skin. Next is to go in with my concealer to highlight and also cover the under eye area, and I'm going to take that concealer underneath her eyes, on her chin area, the bridge of her nose, and also her forehead area, and I'm going to blend afterwards. So fam, next is to set the highlighted area, and I'm going to use that same powder to reverse contour, and I'm going to leave that to bake, and I'm going to go ahead and apply some eyeshadow. So I went in with two colors, just two colors for the eyeshadow. I used a warm tone color for the crease area as my transition shade, and I'm going in with a reddish color for the lid area, and I'm going to apply that color all over her lids, and I'm going to also blend that color into the entire eye. So fam, I'm going in now with some mascara after I apply the eyeliner. It's now time for the brows, and I'm going to first of all brush the brow hairs with a spoolie brush and go in with a dark brown pencil to fill in the brows, and I'm going to use some concealer to define the brows afterwards. the same red shade I used for the eyelids for the under eye area, and I'm also going to apply some mascara on the lower lashes. I'm now going to finish with the face, and I'm applying some bronzer for the cheek area, and I'm going to use a contour shade for the forehead area and the chin area. I'm also going to apply some blush afterwards. So if you have come this far in this video, fam, please give me a thumbs up, and if you are enjoying my videos and you keep coming back, please subscribe if you haven't already. So fam, I'm now going in with some highlighter, and I'm going to apply the highlighter on the cheekbone and the brow bone area. So I'm going to apply the same highlighter on the tip of her nose and the bridge of her nose and blend afterwards. And I'm also going to take that same highlighter on her cupid's bow. And finally, for the lips, I'm going to first of all line her lips with a brown pencil, a dark brown pencil, and I'm going for a red lipstick for this look. So this is the final outcome of the makeup, fam, and as you can see, Sophie really loved her look, and it happened to be her birthday, and I really enjoyed creating this look. So this is the beautiful before of my client, and this is the beautiful after. And that's it for this video, fam. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, stay safe and never give up. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.